present over there. Hope you are safe and sound in this pandemic. Hi, this is Pragya Pandey, proud contestant of Miss B Star, presented by B Star Studio. Thank you for giving me such a beautiful question. Well, I believe life is full of beautiful things, so live your life to the full of its potential. Success to me really means doing something that makes me happy, something that I enjoy doing it, exposing myself and opening myself to new challenges that enables me to develop my skills professionally, personally, and mentally. I learn each and every time I do something. Success to me means the final result of all my hard work and perseverance. Life gives me full of challenges. No matter happens what, I don't give up easily. Instead, I collect every ounce of my strength and come back with more confidently to conquer and win again. For me, success means to come out with flying colors, either in the form of your achievements or your happiness. When this question of being successful comes to my mind, what I think is from where I started, what vision I had then, and now what's the vision in my mind now. The all evolution among this learning, developing, and being happy is what I feel success really means. Getting the final result in your favor that helps you in learning something, developing yourself, and enjoying each and every moment of your task is meaningful to success to me. Thank you. Hope you like my answer. That's for all.
Hey guys, my name is Krishna Singh. I'm from Pushkar, Rajasthan. Hope you all are doing well. As we all know, nowadays everybody wants successful life, but nobody knows that failure is the way of success, because failure tells you why success is important and what is success to you. It lets you know what mistakes you made, and next time you should avoid it for facing success. To me, success is an answer to the hard work. Success to me, it doesn't mean doing something that make me happy. It means I can help other and make them happy, and something that I enjoyed. Success got the sense of giving back to the world and making a difference. Thank you.
Myself Madhubala. I am from Punjab. I am 19 years old. My hobby is singing, dancing, acting. My profession is modeling. Thank you for giving such a platform in showcase my talent. Who is the best person for success or failure? The best person for failure. बिकॉज मेरे लिए फेलियर इज़ द बेस्ट है, क्योंकि मैंने अपनी लाइफ में फेल होकर बहुत कुछ सीखा है. जब हम फेल होते हैं तो हमको पता चलता है कि हमने कौन सी गलती की है. फिर हम उस काम को पूरे हार्ड वर्क और फायर के साथ, हमारे मन में एक जुनून पैदा होता है, उसके साथ करते हैं. और जब फेल होने के बाद पता चलता है कौन सी गलती कहाँ हुई है, फिर उसके बाद हम दूसरी गलती नहीं करते हैं. इसीलिए फेल होना लाइफ में बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि फिर हम उस अपने विनर की बेस तक जाते हैं और फिर नेक्स्ट लेवल तक पहुंचकर हम अपने सक्सेस हो जाते हैं. इसीलिए लाइफ में फेल होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि लाइफ में जब हम फेल होते हैं उसके बाद हमें अपनी गलतियों का एहसास होता है, फिर जाकर हम अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंच जाते हैं. सक्सेस क्या है मेरे लिए? सक्सेस मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी है, पर उसके साथ साथ मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि हमको हार्ड वर्क और कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ अपनी सक्सेस को भूख करना चाहिए, क्योंकि सक्सेस पाना अपनी मंजिल को हासिल करना है. इसीलिए मेरे लिए सक्सेस भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. थैंक यू.
And namaste to each and everyone watching me here. I am Gunjan Panigrahi from Balangir, Odisha. I believe if you are for your passion, success follows you, and that's why I am here today. I am a dreamer who dreamed in open eyes to become a successful model in my life. Dance and acting is my one of favorite hobby from my childhood. Because I am so adventurous, that's why I love bike riding too. Finally, I would like to thank to the B-Star Studio for giving me a wonderful opportunity to increase my talent in front of people like you. So, I got two questions that I have to answer it. The first question is, who is the best teacher for a person, success or failure? First of all, I would like to thank for this beautiful question. For me, success and failure both are the best teacher of our life, but we already knew that the failure is the pillar of success. So, we would never know the value of success if we not face any failure in our life. And from failure, we knew all the declining part of our life. And if we never get failure, then we never get motivated to get success. So failure is the best teacher for our life. Thank you. And the second question is, what is success for you? Again, thank you for this great question. For me, success is a journey that teaches me how to reach to my destination. Success is achieving the goals that matters to me. And for me, learning from my ever done mistake is success. Yes, I knew all the funda of success, but from my core of heart, my thought is that if you success in your life and achieve what you dream, then the parents' satisfaction and the word from them. Proud of you, my daughter. Do whatever makes you happy and yet achieve your success. We are with you. Really matter more for me. Then you really will get success in your life. In my point of view, this is success for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Pooja Miskin, my age is 22. I have recently completed my graduation. I am from Karad. My hobbies are drawing, dancing, singing, acting and many more. Modeling is my passion. Finally, I would like to thank respected judges. They gave us such a beautiful question. First question is, who is the best teacher for a person, success or failure? So my answer is, in fact, failure is a better teacher than success. Medicine in a Desai, they discovered that the knowledge gained from our failure lasted longer than those from our success. They advise the organization to neither ignore nor dismiss failure, but to treat failure as a learning opportunity. So second question is, what is a success for you? So my answer is, to me, success means to have a goal, plan the steps to achieve the goal, implement the plan, and finally achieve the goal. Success means to produce high quality work before the deadline. Thank you.
Yeah, hello, and this is me Ashita Acharya. Yeah, on the way, thank you so much for your beautiful question, ma'am or sir. Yeah, my first question was, who is the best teacher for a person, success or failure? Yeah, I will go with failure itself. Failure is the next step is success. Yeah, so which will be failure, next will be a successful day or time. So I'll go with failure itself. Yeah, my second question is, what is success for you? Yeah, my success is what I'm doing now and where I am now, and next what will be is my success. That's all. Yeah, I will end this video with short answers. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Shravani Ganapati and I'm from Andhra Pradesh, and I'm studying BTech in Sri Valmiki Institute of Science and Technology in Tiruru. My hobbies are reading comic books and to spend time with my best friends, and especially interests are to participate in this type of events. And this is about myself. And coming to the point of who is the best teacher for a person, it is different from everyone. And from my side or from myself, the best teacher in my life are my mom and my best friend. Because when I fell down in difficulties or difficult situations, they bring me up from that situation and try to differentiate between the good one and the bad one. And they are always supportive, and they always stand beside me when I really I need them. Either failures or success, they are always with me. So I choose them as the best teacher in my life. And coming to the another point, success to me. Success is the biggest achievement for every person. And from myself, success is doing. Success means to me is doing something that really made me happy. And it is not an easy way to become the success. We have to face many problems, or we have to keep many efforts to get the success. At last, and at this present situation, my success is to become the winner of this contest. Thank you.
Good morning. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Ramandeep Kaur. I am from Ambala city. Currently, I am passing 12th standard. I belong to a nuclear family. Doing makeup is my passion. I wanna become a successful model. So, here is my first answer. Every human being strives to achieve success in his or her life. From my opinion, failure is the best teacher for a person. As we know, people had lead different kinds of lifestyle, and this lifestyle, whether good or bad, is a result of what they have achieved in life. Success might give you as a high that nothing can be, but failure is the best and the biggest teacher in life. And my second answer, from my point of view, success is something that you have to define yourself, and no one can do it for you. Success could mean a sense of giving back to the world and making a difference. It could mean able to do the things you love. Many of you chase career, titles, money, or social status, and yet we don't feel successful when we get these things. That's because you can only measure success in your life when you define what drives your happiness and helps you find purpose.
Every day is a new day with a chance to change your life. Good morning everyone. My name is Nirlipta Sahu and I am from the Temple City, Bhubaneswar. My age is 19 years and my height is 5 feet 9 inches. My hobbies are to paint and dance. Even I have won the first runners-up title for Miss Quarantine India 2020. So that's all about my introduction. Moving towards my question and answer round. My first question is, who is the best teacher for a person, success or failure? For me, it's failure, as I have learned a lot from my personal life. Failure has helped me to know the best version of myself and to do less mistakes in my life. It gives us a lesson and makes us improve in our future. So, every person gets success from failure. That's the ultimate truth of this nature. And moving towards my second question, what do I mean success? For me, success means a never-ending, a never-giving up person. A person who can define himself, improving to its best version in future. A person not only achieving victory or defeating the others, but a person who himself defines the success from inner. So I mean success means a word which will help you to know who are you, what you can do in your life. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Vaishnavi Singh from Jabalpur. I'm 16 years old and I'm a high school student. Who do you think is a better teacher, failure or success? If you ask this question to me, I would definitely say it's failure. You must be wondering why. Because the lessons learned from our failures are far more better and they last longer as compared to the lessons learned from our successes. But it doesn't mean that we should fail. But in case if we fail, then we should have that courage to accept our failures like we accept our success. Failures are like the opportunity to do something new or to bring something new. Failures are like the opportunity to success. At last, I want to conclude it with a quote by Napoleon Hill. Most of the great people attain their success just after one step beyond their failures. It means you should never give up. Secondly, what is success to me? If you ask me this question, I would definitely say success is the yield of your hard work and patience that was planted long ago in the garden of your life. Success doesn't only mean making lots and lots of money or getting lots and lots of fame. Success is something far much more behind than that. Success means when you have got that inner satisfaction that you have achieved your goals and you have achieved your dreams. What I was and what I wanted to become, when I became that, what I wanted to become is my success. Success doesn't only mean fulfilling someone's or your personal goals or achievements. Success is when you help those who need you, who need your guidance, who need your time. Success is called when you not only work for yourself, but you work for the society and the country and everyone in this world. Thank you so much for your precious time. Have a nice day.
Elegance is the only beauty that never fades. Namaste. I'm Asha D'Souza and I hail from a beautiful city, Udupi, from Karnataka. I'm a lecturer by profession and dancing is my passion. I'm a participant of Miss B-Star online beauty pageant and my first question is, who is the better teacher for a person, success or failure? For me, in my life, I have had so many experiences of success and failure. Success taught me what it feels to be on the top of the world, but failure taught me what it takes to push back and reach to the place that makes me feel what success is. Failure can teach you many important lessons about others too. When you experience failure, you discover who your true friends are. You learn valuable lessons about who you can trust and who you should avoid. As you go through life, your failures eventually teach you to become a better thinker and a problem solver. So for me, failure is the better teacher in life as it relates and makes you understand what success really means to you. And the second question which I got is, what is success for you? For me, success is finding happiness in myself and everything that happens around me. Success is like stairs. The stairs from making myself strong and better every single day till reaching the stair where I make myself and my family proud of my work ethic and personal life. I believe that success is more about journey than the destination. If I'm able to wake up every day and put the maximum amount of energy and efforts into the goals that I believe in and going to sleep satisfied, that is true success to me. Thank you so much.
Namaste. I'm Miss Anushka Dongre, proudly representing the land of culture and spirituality, Maharashtra, India. Thank you, B-Star Studio, to let me compete in this competition. So, my first question was, who is the best teacher for a person in life, success or failure? So, my answer would be failure is the best teacher for a person in life. Why? Because bigger the failure, bigger the success you achieve. Because when you fail, you fall down. You learn from your mistakes. You pick up yourself, bounce back with a greater success. Because without struggle, what is success anyway? Right? Because when winners win, they create a headline. But when losers win, they create a history, a big history. So I would say that failure is the biggest teacher for a person in life. And my second question was, what is success for you? For me, success is wealth, prosperity, health, and fame. To reach at that level of life where I am capable of helping the needy peoples and help them keep humanity alive and make my parents proud of me. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Veronica Juri, contestant of Miss B Star. I am from the state which is situated in the heart of India, Chhattisgarh. I am 19 years old and currently I am pursuing my bachelor degree in nursing. I am a very passionate person and I want to work for those children who have no money to afford their educational fees. They work to feed their family, they work to pay their fees. I believe that every children have right to get a good education. Thank you for giving me such a wonderful questions. So without wasting any time, let's start. My first question is, who is a better teacher for a person, success or failure? Success is something which we get, which we feel to the top of the world. Failure teaches us to get back again to reach the place and feels what success is. For a person, success and failure are the results, but the better teacher is a journey and experience which he gets by doing hard work for his goal. My second question is, what is success for you? Everybody wants to climb the ladder of success and everybody wants to be successful. But for me, success is a pride, liberation, power, and happiness. I want to work for the people and I want to see my success in their eyes as a respect for me. I want to make my own definition of success and I want to be my own definition of success. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Neha Rawat. I am from Uttarakhand and I am a contestant of Miss Beastja Beauty Pageant. My first question is to answer, who is the best teacher for a person? Success or failure? According to me, failure is the better teacher than the success because the lessons which we have gained from failure will last longer than those from our success. I think when a person succeeds in his own life, they attain selfishness and greediness, which creates inhumanity in the nature. And a person who has faced failure will have curiosity to know the loopholes by which he or she has failed. By this, they overcome the loopholes and become a successful in their life. Due to the lessons which they have gained from failure will last long in their life, which prevents them from failure. Now, my second question is to answer, what is success for me? Success is a word that has different meaning from different people. For me, success is not just to earn money and have a luxurious life. For me, it is to create a reputative image in a society. I want to be a successful woman in my life so that not only I can make my life comfortable but also to make others' life comfortable so that they can live happily in their life. I want to give time to my family, to my friends so that I can make good relations with them, and I also want to spend more time on myself so that I can know the better version of myself to become a successful woman in my life. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Sadhna Sinha from Muzaffarpur, Bihar, and I'm contestant of Miss Beastja Beauty Pageant. Here I have some questions, and my first question is, who is the best teacher for a person, success or failure? And my answer is failure, because in my view, through failure you will get to know yourself better and you will learn from your mistakes. Failure makes us rethink, reconsider, and find new ways and strategies to achieve our goals. So yes, for me, failure is the best teacher for a person. And my second question is, what is success for me? For me, success isn't money, success isn't fame, success isn't build a big business, becoming number one at anything. For me, success is, how do I feel about myself? If you feel good about who you are, if you feel great about who you are becoming, if you have a deep sense of fulfillment, that to me is success. Because you have all outward success in the world. You have the money, you have the fame, you have the everything going you are. People telling you that you are the number one, but you don't feel the way about yourself, you actually have nothing. Thank you very much.
Good evening, one and all. Women's is everybody's consistency, so be focused because it is always sexy. Says this strong minded, confident, independent me, Pratiksha Bhosle. Well, I am a professional singer and actress. and proud contestant of Miss B Star Beauty Pageant 2020. Thank you for giving me such a beautiful questions. So, the first question is, who is the best teacher for a person? Success or failure? And according to me, failure is the best teacher for every person, because in order to grow, you need failure. This does not mean you should expect to fail, but when it happens, accept it. There is a value in a failure. Through failure, you will get to know yourself better and you will learn from your mistakes. Failure makes us rethink, reconsider, and find new ways and strategies to achieve our goals. And the second question is, what is success for you? I believe success is defined by who you are and the person you aspire to be. Success is the realization of our dreams, goals, and ideas. For me, in order to truly succeed, I need to accomplish the goals which I set with integrity. This Pune girl loves to explore your things, and I'm surely gonna learn so much new each day till the day I die. Thank you so much.
Doesn't matter that you're tall, short, dark, brown, chubby, or skinny. The day you accept yourself, you see how pretty and how beautiful you are. Hi, my name is Sushmita Chakravarti. I'm 19 years old and I am from Guwahati, Assam. Currently, I'm pursuing cosmetology degree from Lakme Fashion Academy and I'm a dancer as well. My hobbies are listening music, traveling, and watching films. And my question is, what do you think is the best teacher for a person, success or failure? Well, first of all, thank you so much for this question. And for me, it depends on that person how he or she accept his or her failure or success, because both teach us a lot of things. Failure teaches us how to give our best next time and how to be the best next time. And success teaches us how to find out who wants our best and who wants us to win. Thank you so much. And my second question is, what is success for you? Thank you so much for this question. And for some, it's just winning crown or title or trophy or any kind of sash. But for me, when you go somewhere or any kind of show, people start falling in love with you. People think you are the winner, and when you can bring joy to them, then you are a successful person. Because successful person doesn't need any kind of title or any kind of crown or any kind of trophy. He or she is the title. When people believe that you are the winner and you are the one, when people wants to become like you, this is the day when you are successfully successful. Thank you so much.
Hello, I am Madhurima Roy and I live in Kalyani, West Bengal. I am an engineering graduate. My hobby is drawing and to play basketball. Coming to the answer of the first question, failure is the pillar of all success is a very common phrase that we hear. According to me, failure is the best teacher of a person. This is the one which helps a person to analyze all the mistakes and the wrongs. This helps the person to gain energy and to focus on the work and help that person to do more hard work. This is the one which helps the person to achieve the dreams and the goals of the life. Coming to the second answer, life is that field which always throws challenges. According to me, success is not a fixed achievement which I claim to be my success. Instead, I try to accept all the challenges that life gives me and try to perform my best in that to get the best out of it. The happiness and the smile which comes after that on my face, I claim it to be my success. Thank you.
Namaste. Myself Kritika Singh. I'm 22 years old from the city of Joy, Kolkata. I'm a pharmacist and I'm pursuing masters in DFMSs from KPC Medical College. It was a wholesome childhood with a happy family until the day my father left us. I was only 7 years old. From that tender age, I have been challenged with the notion of responsibilities. My mother is my biggest support to me, and I always want to make her proud and happy. My biggest strength is the belief that I have in myself. Well, Miss B-Star Beauty Pageant, thank you for the question, which is, who is the best teacher for a person? Failure or success? Well, I believe when it comes to learning, failure is the best teacher. Failures makes us to rethink, reattempt and reconsider our mistakes, our flaws. The knowledge which we discover from the failure lasts longer into our life. This does not mean we should expect to fail, but when it happens, we must learn and try to accept it to improve ourselves in better ways. And failure is not a step back, it's a step back with a double velocity to move ahead to achieve the goal. And the other question is, what is success to me? Success to me means doing something my best out of it. Success is the something which makes me and my parents happy and proud. Of course, success comes with lots of responsibilities, opportunities and challenges to enable myself to flourish and grow. Therefore, my motto in my life is hard work and determination will always lead to success. So, success is obviously a pillar, biggest pillar in my life if I achieve. And everyone achieves in their life for sure. Thank you.
Namaste. Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Kumari. I'm 21 years of age from Varanasi. I'm psychology graduate and a model by passion. My family has been my greatest strength and support in my life. Being an artistic person, I love painting. My biggest achievement till the date have been to walk the ramp for NIFT and winning various modeling contests in my life. Well, it's been my dream to become Miss India one day, and I think winning Miss B-Star Beauty Pageant will help me to achieve it more faster by boosting my confidence. As the saying goes, if you have never failed, you have never lived. Success is the outcome of your struggle, but failure is the teacher. Failure teaches us so much in our life. It teaches us so much important lessons in our life. Also bring out full potential in us. Make us humble from inside. The road to success is to never fear the failure. For me, success lies in simple things. Standing up for yourself when nobody does. Taking small steps towards your dreams. Overcoming our own fears of anything. Making your parents proud. And pursuing your own goals and dreams even when everybody is criticizing you. In the end, I will say success is how high you bounce when you hit the bottom. Thank you.
Guys, my name is Maik Satvara. I am 18 years old. I am ambitious. I thrive on challenge and constantly set goals for myself. I am always looking for an opportunity of do better and achieve success. First question is, who is the best teacher for a person, success or failure? I think failure is a better teacher than success because sometimes we win but sometimes we learn. Failure is the first step of success. Success is fight between you and yourself. Second question, what is success for you? To me, success to have a goal. Implement the plan and finally achieve the goal. Success means to achieve a goal I have set for myself. Success means to produce.
Hello, this is ETG from Pune, Maharashtra. I'm 17 years old and I'm a college student, so I like to dance and act. So here is my ambition to be an actress. So my first question here is, who is the best teacher for a person, success or failure? So according to me, I think that failure is not fatal. Failure is our teacher, not our undertaker. It should challenge us to the new heights of accomplishments, not to pull us to the new depths of despair. Knowledge gained from our failure lasts longer than those from our success. Here I finish my first question's answer. So moving towards the second question. So the second question is, what is success for you? So success for me is an ability to do what we love every day. I know it may sound simple like we do every day, but whatever you do changes over a time. And your hard work and dedication with your passion leads to the success. And it has nothing to do with money, wealth, or status. It has nothing to do, absolutely nothing to do with money, wealth, or status. So your hard work and your dedication leads to the true success. Thank you.
Sabir. So the question was, who is the best teacher for a person? Success or failure? I'm a person who has experienced the world in a very narrow manner. I was constantly being protected by my family. So as far as I have observed, I can definitely say that failure is a stepping stone towards success. Failure teaches you what you are and what you are really capable of, what you can really do in your life. In actual, failure just opens your eyes about your misbeliefs or disbeliefs. And the second question was, what is success for you? So success for me is being happy. Yeah, if I'm happy, then I feel that yes, I am successful. For everyone, success is just setting a goal and achieving it. So we can set a goal and achieve it, but the thing is, we need to be happy. Whatever we do, our needs and wants changes day by day. So we need to be happy in every circumstances. Yes, everyone needs to be successful in their life. Everyone wishes to be successful in their lives. Even I wish to be successful. But I want to be happy. I want to live happily. So for me, success is happiness. And if I'm doing something which makes me happy, I'll feel that yes, I'm successful. And I don't want anything else. Thank you, everyone.
Very good morning, everyone. I am Kirti Srivastav. I am basically from Balia, UP. Thank you for offering me this opportunity to introduce myself. I have completed my graduation from Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth and currently I am pursuing teacher's training from Balia. My first answer is, according to me, failure is the success of mother. Without failure, we would not learn how to succeed in life because it makes us rethink, reconsider and find new ideas to achieve our goals. Many times it teaches us many things, how to build strength of commitment, character, work ethics. That's why for me failure is the best teacher of life. And my second answer is, for me success is to make others smile because smile is the result of happiness. I feel more happy from heart when I apply my effort for others. Somewhere I realize others people's feelings and dreams are just as important as mine.
Good evening, everyone. My gratitude to the respected jury members. This is Rupali Kalra, a proud contestant of Miss B Star Beauty Pageant. I'm from a city Fagwara situated in Punjab. I'm a student who aspires to be a model, accountant, and an artist. I aim to work for the social welfare of the world. Moving on to the question answer round, firstly, I would like to thank the jury members for framing these amazing questions for me. The first question framed for me is, who is the best teacher? Success or failure? Success and failure both teach us different lessons. Talking about the best teacher, in my perspective, as we fail, we become humble, which makes us value humanity. Moreover, failure is a part of the journey of finding the life we want to live. When we start working for it, we don't know what we are going to do because we don't have any experience, we don't have any idea what is going to happen, due to which we make many mistakes. So it creates the room for improvement and growth. Then we work with firmness and discover our inner potential, which helps us in becoming a better version of ourselves. Inside our hearts, it fills us with immense pleasure because deep inside we knew that we are working for the betterment and we are proving ourselves worthy of our accomplishments. The second question framed for me is, what is success for you? For me, success is all about being happy and self-satisfied with whatever I am doing and wherever I am, knowing that I am better than yesterday and having a self-belief that I can become more better tomorrow. It helps me moving on the journey of life and achieve new milestones. Thank you.
Hi, good morning or good afternoon to all jury members. My name is Manlai Shram and I'm from Imphal, Manipur, and my hobby is singing, dancing and last modeling. Thank you for letting me join in this final round. That is the third round. That is the question and answer. So I'll start here. The first question is, who is the best teacher for you? Success or failure? In my opinion, I strongly choose failure because failure is a step back for every successful person. If fail, we must accept it because through failure we will get to know much better of ourselves, and we will make new ways to achieve our goals. We will reconsider, rethink it, and we'll find ways or strategies to achieve our goal. So what is success for you? Success for me is not achieving parents' dream. It is when you achieve your own passion, your own dream. This is when you achieve your own dream. At the time, I call it success for myself. Thank you.